Right, so this is my Jawa toolkit. The only thing missing is a roll of electrical tape. So yeah, let's pack it all up. I've decided I will be carrying petrol as well, because the Sidecar is dreadful on fuel, and if I hit reserve, I have only 15 miles to go. Spark plug and rear wheel tool, that is. That's very cool, that is. Big adjustable, £1 in a carboot cell, that was. These came with the bike as along with the other tool, so that's cool. And all tie levers. Suspension, plus I'm not sure what that is, but it's good to have. Big screwdriver, little screwdriver. Now, yeah, let's take that hammer. Random little spanner I found, that can go in, whatever. And a positive, negative little screwdriver as well. First aid kit. A little tyre inflator I've bought, so that's all going to go together. I got given this socket set, spanner set, from my mate James, which is really good because it contains 8 to 19, which is pretty much all the sizes I need. Bought this years ago. This is probably the only tool that's in this collection that's actually brand new. Everything else is second hand or given. It's a nice little socket set there. They're really nice, these ones. I've got a couple of these all different brands. DeWalt do one as well. Right here is a car jack, because I've got the Sidecar. I need to be able to jack it up if I need to change something like a tube. So I bought this for a tenner off Facebook Marketplace. And I've got a nice towel that I wrap it in so it doesn't clunk around. Some extra, I've got some on the back of the bike, but I'm going to take some extra of that with me always. And some gear oil, so 2-stroke oil and some gear oil. Got some little Gorilla tape or duct tape, but yeah, I'll take some Gorilla tape. Just in case my electrics fail. I've got space, so I'll take an actual pump as backup. Pack of zip ties, might as well. Spare tubes, one for the Sidecar, one for the front and rear wheel. Some tyre levers. These are just generic tyre levers that I keep. I've got a few sets of these are pretty good. And I have used these to change the tyre already, so I know how to use them. Spare nuts and bolts here, some spare fuses, some more bolts, and a spare chain link. So it's a split link, but it's always good to carry a spare. In here I've got spare spark plugs. And I've got a valve core puller. Oh, this is all spare cables. So, and throttle, brake, clutch, and throttle cable there. And there's a bit of electrical tape that I just found. So I do have some electrical tape, but I'm going to get some more because that's not enough. Oh, yes, I almost forgot. This little tub of grease here. I get these little tubs of grease on my bikes. Little 3D printed pot I did. And I just pack it with grease. Let's put this in that bag. There we go. That's all my tools that I need. And it all fits in here, behind the chair. There we go. It's all in the chair now.